Welcome to our channel. If you want to increase your credit score, follow these step-by-step instructions to build better credit and unlock better financial opportunities. Step 1. Obtain your free credit reports from all 3 major bureaus and review them carefully for errors or inaccuracies. Dispute any incorrect information immediately, as errors can significantly drag down your score. Step 2. Pay all bills on time, every time, as payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. Set up automatic payments or calendar reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Step 3. Reduce your credit utilization ratio by paying down existing balances and keeping usage below 30% of your available credit. Ideally, aim for under 10% utilization for the best impact on your score. Step 4. Avoid closing old credit card accounts even if you don't use them regularly. Length of credit history matters, and closing accounts can hurt both your average account age and available credit. Step 5. Limit new credit applications, as each hard inquiry can temporarily lower your score. Only apply for new credit when necessary, and space out applications by at least 6 months. Step 6. Diversify your credit mix by maintaining different types of credit, such as revolving credit cards and installment loans. However, never take on debt solely to improve your credit mix. Step 7. Monitor your credit regularly using free services to track progress and catch potential fraud early. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.